pass out by doing this. I got it.
Because it's fun. Okay, go on. Okay, deep breath in.
Far away I'll fly to a place with bluer skies. Now that I finalize my divorce, I'll go where I want and I'll stay out late without hearing crap from a nagging maid. Now that I finalized my divorce, maybe I'll travel to India and learn to give a bath to an elephant. I can scuba dive, a mountain climb, and nobody can tell me that I can't. 'Cause you're not around anymore. You can't talk trash about my friends, and I can finally go find better sex. Now that I finalized my divorce, your nasty habits that made me sick all go away with this legal trick. Now that I finalized my divorce, no longer do I have to play the role of your father or mother. And glory to God, will I never again have to support your deadbeat brother.
Bye-bye. He's your problem now.
I'm gonna buy some brand new clothes, maybe get a tattoo or pierce my nose. Now that I finalized my divorce, it can be scary to be back on your own, but don't be afraid, you're never alone. Many of us have finalized a divorce.
Okay, here we go.
Skadooba-dabba-dee-bow-wow, skidda-dabba-doo-wow-wee-bow-wow. Far away I'll fly to a place with bluer skies. Now that I've finalized my divorce. You're gonna be okay.